Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about lowest common multiples, that is LCM, and methods to find LCM. There are three methods to find the LCM. First one is by finding common multiples. Second one by prime factorization method. Third one by long division method. So now move to common multiples. The multiples that are common or same to two or more numbers are called common multiples of those number. Two or more number having same factors, same multiples are known as common multiples. Here is an example. Find the common multiples of 3 and 4. Here you have to find the common multiples of 3 and 4. Now come to the solution. First you have to write the multiple of first number, that is 3. So multiples of 3 are, you have to write the multiplication table of that number, that is 3. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. All these are the multiple of 3. Next step is you have to write the multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, then 20, 24, 28. All these are the multiples of 4. Here you got the multiples of 3 and 4. Next step is we have to write we have to find the common multiples from 3 and 4. So the common multiples are 12 is present in both the numbers, so 12 is one common multiple. Then 24 is present in both the number, so 24 is the next common multiple. So you can say that 12, 24 in this way, then we get the next number also, that is next common multiples of these two. Or simply we have to first find the first common multiple, and in that we have to multiply 2, 3, 4 to get the next common multiple. Like common multiple of 3 and 4 are, first one is 12, next one is 24, that we get by multiplying 2 to first common multiple. 12 2 is 24. Next we find by multiplying 3 with that is 12 3 is 36, and 12 4 is 48. So 12, 24, 36, 48, all these are the multiples of 3 and 4. Now come to lowest common multiple, that is LCM. The lowest common multiple of 2 or more given number is the smallest or lowest of their common multiples. First we have to find the common multiples. Next step is we have to select the smallest or lowest of that common multiples. Okay, from that common multiples we have to select smallest one. So now come to the methods to find LCM. First one is LCM by finding common multiples. Here is a question. This is a question. We have to find the LCM by finding the common multiples of 8 and 12. Now come to the solution. First find the multiples of 8. So the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. All these are the multiples of 8. Next step is we have to write the multiple of next number, that is 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 is 24, then 36, 48, 60. All these are the multiples of 12. Next step is you have to select the multiples which are common in both the number. So here 24 is present in both the number, first common multiple. Then second, 48 is present in both the number, so write the common multiples. So the common multiples are 24 and 48. Next we get by multiplying 3 to the 24, that is 24 3 is 72. Okay, now come to next one, that is LCM. As you have already discussed, LCM means we have to find the smallest from the common multiples. So here 24 is the smallest one, so we can say that LCM of these two numbers is 24. Now come to LCM by prime factorization method. Find the LCM by using prime factorization method of 10 and 30. So now come to the solution. First find the prime factorization of first number, that is 10. We can prime factorization with the help of repeated division method. So if we divide 10 with 2, we are getting 5 as the remainder. Next again we have to divide with 5 to get 1 as the remainder. So prime factorization of this number is 2 multiplied by 5. Now come to second number. Second number is 30. So prime factorization of this one is, we have to divide this number with 2. If we divide 30 by 2, we are getting 15 as the remainder. In the second step, we have to select such a prime number which is divisible by this number. So I am taking 3 here. If we divide 15 by 3, we are getting 5. Next 5 is a prime number, so we have to divide 5 with 5. So we are getting 1 as the remainder. So the prime factorization of 30 is, here it is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied by 5, and prime factorization of 30 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Next step is, we have to write the LCM by selecting the common factor from these two numbers. So here the common factors are, first 2 is present in both the number, then 5 is present in both the number, and 3 is one more thing. So we have to multiply all these, that is 2, 3 and 5. While we are finding HCF by prime factorization method, you have to select greatest, that is the which are common in both the number. But in LCM, we have to select that may be present in both the number or that may not be present in both the number. So the LCM of this one is, we have to multiply 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. That is the number which present maximum time in a number. Okay, the factor which present maximum time in a number, we have to select that one. So here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, that equal to, we are getting 30. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So the LCM of this one is 30. Now come to next method, that is LCM by long division method. So here is a question. Find the LCM using long division method of 12, 18 and 24. So we have to, while we are finding the LCM by long division method, we have to write all the three numbers at a time and divide them continuously. Okay, so in this way you have to write all these numbers at a time. So you have to divide all the number with the help of all prime numbers, that may be 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, 11, 13, same as like prime factorization. So here I have taken 2. So 2 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, it is 6. Next 18 divided by 2, it is 9. Then 24 divided by 2, it is 12. Okay, in the first step we have divided all these three numbers with the help of 2. In the second step, as first number is divisible by 2 and third number is divisible by 2, again we have to take the number 2. So 6 divided by 2, it is 3, and 9 is not divisible by 2, so write that number as there, that is 9, and 12 divisible by 2, it is 6. Again I am taking 3. You can take 2 also, as the last digit last number is 6. So I am selecting 3 here. So 3 by 3, it is 1. 9 by 3, it is 3 3 is 9. So you have to write 3 here, and 6 divided by 3, it is 2. So again I am dividing this number with 2. So first number is already 1, so no need to write that one. So write 1 here. 3 divided by 2 not divisible, so write 3 here, and 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Okay, and one more 3 is left, so again you have to select 3. So write 1, then 3 by 3, it is 1, and last 1 by 3, it is just 1. Okay, so in long division method, we have to divide until we are getting 1 1 or 1 as the remainder. Okay, you have to divide till you are getting 1 as the remainder in all the numbers. Okay, now all these, that is 2 2 3 2 and 3, all these are the factors, so you have to write all these. So LCM of all these is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So here if you multiply all this, we are getting 72. So you can say that 72 is the LCM of this number. So LCM of 12, 18 and 24 is 72. So you have to divide repeatedly with the help of prime numbers in this way until you are getting 1 in all the numbers, that is that as remainder. Okay, that's all. Thank you, students.